Okay. Solid. W's in the chat. Okay, we are live on YouTube as well, guys. Right, sir. By the way, what trades have you taken so far? How do I show this? Right. Hold on, This one. Okay, I have this. Oh my days. How do I do this? I cannot show. It's like, it's not. Wait, you know what? Why don't I just show you on my phone, sir? Hey, I'm short. I'm short on EJ. What am I doing, bro? Okay. We are currently at 320. This is where we are. Oh, sabar. Focus. Camera focus. Don't trip. Yeah, we are about $334 up. Right, we are short on the EJ, but it's going against us lah. Right, the one that's doing very well is a long on the Nasdaq. Long on the Nasdaq has us up about 340. Right, the long on Euro USD also has us up by a bit. I think, right, you know what? I'm gonna go for a quick 30 pips on Euro USD. Right, long. Let's see if we can do it. Hey, by the way, this cap is annoying as hell, bro. Right, let's go for a quick long on the Euro USD. Bang! Alright, we are in. Right, no room for hesitation. No fear, no surrender, bro. Okay, let's see, the cap's off. The cap is off. Right, Euro USD is the play. We are now... Hey! S&P 500 is in the positive. Nasdaq's in the positive as well. We are rolling in the profits. Right now we are up in profits of about $300. Right, the negative is the Euro USD lah, but that one I just entered, so it's okay. Let us enter the take profit and stop loss for this particular trades. Let me just adjust. Mop. That's too far. Here. Can. Okay. I'm happy. Let's go. We are rolling in the profits right now. I am happy, sir. We have 2 trades rolling in the profits. Right now, we have the S&P 500. Right, that's rolling in the profit. We have the Nasdaq that's rolling in the profits. Our Euro USD is loading. Right, but right now, we are up total about $20 profit on the Euro USD. Right, don't believe me, just have a look. Right, you can see that my recent Euro USD trade is currently loading lah. Right, I'm down about 10 pips, but I'm not worried lah. Yeah. Just let the trade roll. Let the good times roll, boy. You don't want to do analysis anymore? I would love to. Ask lah. I can analyze from here. What? You guys can still see, right? Let me see if you guys can see. I want to do analysis, but I keep on getting banned. I don't want to get banned, so I rather just show the chart. You know? You can ask me anything about trading. I'm happy to answer, bro. But Shahid, just tell me lah what you want me to analyze. I'll let you know. I don't know why. TikTok just loves to ban me, bro. I'm like bannable or what? I don't understand. Tak ada, aku just curious. Oh, it's okay lah. It's okay to be curious. Hey, you know what? Let me get my other cap. I don't like this cap. It is annoying me. I'm not trading for the meantime. Why? May I ask? Alright, like not angry or anything just asking Oh, aduh, Euro USD, aduh. Painful lah. Where is the volume? Hello? I just want to take a breather. Yeah. I get that feeling, bro. Sometimes also it's just like you stare at the charts for too long, right? You just need to take a break so you can breathe and like start again fresh, right? Okay. I think it's about time, right? We start some conflict, right? We need to start some argument so that the viewers can can go out. Come, Rinstar sent ice cream cone. He sent 5 ice cream cone. Damn, thanks, bro. Thanks for the 5 ice cream cones, man. Right, you didn't have to, but you did. So thanks, bro. Actually, right, why you got like some haze, bro, on this? Okay, let me fix that. There's some like haze on the TikTok live punya camera. Like maybe is it exposure thing? Or is it saturation? Auto? Oh, I cannot change ah. Oh, cause I'm live. I cannot change. Keegan says, guess who's live again? It's me, bro. My Jeff pun sampai dah cakap lebih baik you pergi kahwin tu chat kan. Your girlfriend got jokes ah. Your girlfriend got jokes, bro. Okay, fair enough ah. It's your saturation, bro. I don't think so, you know. Is my camera is fine. Right, if you go to my YouTube stream, right, it's totally fine. Hold on, let me check the YouTube stream. Right, I check first. Cause my YouTube is fine, you know. It's good, you know. My YouTube got chat, by the way. If you guys wanna see, yeah. Let me check the YouTube. Yeah, see, have. Let me mute. Okay. Yeah, have, bro. The YouTube is nice. Can we put 1080p? It's solid, sah. It's solid, bro. Right? Look at this. Look at this. This is the, you can see lah. This is my chart. This is everything. It's nice. It works. It's good. Right? We are fine. Right? The only one that's annoying me is the TikTok lah. It's the TikTok, bro. Yeah, it's just TikTok lah. Honestly. But it's okay. TikTok is here and it allows me to see all of you, so I'm happy. Right. Hi Keegan. Anybody want me to analyze any trade? Just let me know. Farul, whenever he sees a crack in the market, let me know. Let me know. Okay, time for controversy. Let's go. Controversy. Let's go. Argue with me right now. Hey, what is your problem, Shahi? What is your problem, You come into my life, right? And then after you want to call me out, bro. Why you trying to call me out, bro? Why you trying to call me out? You trying to fight me, is it? Just trying to be haters, right? What, you my number one hater right now? Why you hating on me, bro? Start being hateful, and then all the streams are coming. I hate you, bro. I hate you so much. JK, I love you. I love you so much. Thanks for being here and lianing me. Right, I'm literally in a room all by myself, talking to myself in front of a camera. It's kind of crazy though. It's like, if you think about it, right, what you gonna do? Nothing. I cannot do anything. Actually. What can I do? What can I do, bro? All I can do is sit in my room with my little four walls and look at my little charts and try my best to make a little bit of more money. But okay lah, it's still vibes ah. It's still vibes. Let me know. Let me know. Do you love me? Boo. My Nasdaq going down. Boo. Though nothing is in it, like most of my stuff, right, that is like negative. It's negative a bit only, which is like annoying me. It's like negative then positive, negative then positive. Like, pick up your mind, bro. I don't know how to explain now. I have to show my chart. Shahi, sorry, correct me if I'm wrong, but you were the one that last time that took pictures, right? Like you're the camera guy, right? You like to take a lot of pictures. I remember you got an Instagram account dedicated to your cameras. Yes. Okay. Nice. I was not wrong. It's me. It's you. I remember. Yeah. Hey, you want to attend or not? Kai Senat Streamer University. somebody call me out because I shared this yes, it's me. Tak nak saya banyak OF models. Banyak OF models? What is going on, bro? Streamer University. I didn't even know there's OF models on Streamer University. That's crazy, bro. Plus, I don't think I'm cut out for streaming, man. I also, honestly, I don't know how I'm still streaming until now. Right? Right, legitness, I'm just here for like vibes. XD, exposed from YTN, shoot. What do you mean? Kai Senat posted a vid or something. Dang! I didn't know that. I don't keep up, sir. I just know because of all the TikTok memes. Like, you know all the TikTok memes that post. Yeah. Eh, dang, our Nasdaq trade is doing so well. Our Euro USD trade is doing so well. One of the Euro USD trade is doing a bit badly. Okay, one S&P 500 trade is doing, it's like a bit positive, a bit negative. Like nak kena tiup sikit lah. Like you need to, you know the Jisoo Life fan, you need to take, right, and then you need to blow at the bottom. You need to, you know, go up, please, please go up. Prim prim patapim. Tralalero, tralalero, tralala. Dang, I need to start doing a brain rot content. Maybe I'll get more viewers like that. Guys, who is your favourite Italian brain rot character? Try Tiluk. Sekali jangan hate Aku try. It did not work. It did not work. It went down. I think I tipped the wrong way. Okay. It's okay. It's the effort that counts. Inshallah. Inshallah. So far, the effort right now is doing me a bit of a negative, but it's okay. I am positive at heart. Right, deep down inside, I'm positive. I'm positive it will happen. Wait, I want to hear if the audio on the TikTok is good or not. It will happen. Wait, I want to hear if the audio on the TikTok is good or not. It will happen. Oh, it's great. Alright, nice. Salam, bro. Hello, bro. Hey, bro. All love. Right, I'm trying to be more consistent. I'm trying. Right, for you guys, not for me, for you all. Yeah. Okay. So far you missed it Taekwondo shirt guy, we were up $500 just now, and then I just closed the trade. So solid stuff actually. I'm very happy with that. Yeah, being up $300 is not easy also actually. A bit hard if you ask me. But okay lah, good Wah, shook. Yeah, right now we are up about 300. It's playing Dia tengah gintil. Can go Seoul Garden already. Why so you want me to belanja you Seoul Garden, is it? But okay lah, quite shook Right. All we have to do is wait for our US 500 trade to close. Right, US 500 trade is a bit off A bit off. A bit off, but so far solid Just now we were up way higher. We were at like 400 plus. Then it dropped to 300. It's okay But I already closed the $500 trade, so I'm happy with that, you know. Overall, the account is in the positive, so that's why I should be happy. No, I should Hey, my G. I should be doing some work right now. What are you working as, bro? But malas. Kerja apa? You want me to do together or not? I can do if you. I got computer here. IT support engineer. Dang, that's kind of cool, actually. For which company, if you don't mind me asking? I'm just sitting in office doing nothing. Isn't that just the vibes? Kau kerja malam under NEC. Right, IT support engineer work until so late Cannot go home and sleep Right. US 500. Why? USD GPY looks freaking solid lah. But it looks like it's gonna fall. But reversal really though. But I think it's gonna fall. I'm on shift basis. Oh. Subcontractor at Tuas checkpoint? No way. That's so far. Were you working that day, that night yang ada, not that night, were you working the day that ada accident rabak gila? Wait, you were? You were? Wait, no, is it Yemen to the, is very far, or Yemen to the day that you were working? Maserati, yeah, you were working ah? I'm waiting for a reply. You were working? Oh no, you wasn't, okay. But crazy sia. I saw the accident right, I was like, who the hell U-turns that fast? Who is trying to U-turn that quickly? Like, it happened in second lane. Oh, I did not know that. So no chance for me to see. Okay. But rabak sah. Sampai hit barrier. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, okay, first of all, why are you U-turning that fast? Second of all, that motorcyclist right, dah nampak dah ada accident. Dia tengok kereta, dia tak tengok road, habis dia langgar barrier. Just rabak sah. Tuas NFC. Okay, our trade is back up in the 300s. Right, that is because our US, no, not US 500. Oh, our Euro USD trade is doing better. That's nice. Alright, that's sick. Fantastic. No, it's not funny, I got skill. Denz can give me 1 million now. You make me first lah. You open trading account first lah. Right? But bro, I hate the journey there. Bro, same. Like, Tuas is just too far. 2 liters of petrol gone every shift. 2 liters. That's crazy. You teach me, I listen. Can. Denzi. You can come to my class. It's free. It's on this Saturday. This Saturday, 100% free. Just come down. It's from 8:30 AM to 2 PM. It's at Hotel Jen Tanglin. That one, if you come, then maybe you can start your way to earning 1 million. Just all the way through compound interest. But this one, right, is basically just to explain to you that the Forex market is untapped. It's just how to tap. Punggol to Tuas checkpoint is 1 liter. Then balik pun sama. That's crazy sah. 1 liter is a lot sah, actually. But damn. Okay lah. At least untuk kerja, you know, duit halal. Right, you are working hard. Speaking of duit halal, damn, we are up to 370. Right, 370, 360. Let's go. 400. Come on, 400. Come on, 400. Wait, where? Is at Hotel Jen Tanglin. DM me lah, I give you the info. Right. Wait, I show you all. I show. We at 350. Focus lah, camera. Oh my days. Beli mahal-mahal tak boleh focus. I think it's just because it's too bright. I'm trying to cover the sensor so you can see. I hope you guys can see. Let's go. Let's hit 500 tonight, inshallah. Right, we'll try our best. Right, but right now we are at 312, 315. Is fluctuating. Right. Euro USD is the one that's being annoying. Right, dia naik turun. Right. But sick. By the way, thanks for the follow, Mr. Dan Z. Thanks for the follow, bro. Right, we are vibing tonight. Right, let's just hope our EJ stays in the positive. The EJ is the one that's being annoying, bro. Euro USD and EJ just annoying, sir. But to be fair, the EJ is a bit that one my fault . Right, I see the structure. Okay. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I screenshot first. Let me see if I can find a picture. Okay, so this is the picture, right, that I have on EJ. Let me zoom in. Let me show you guys. So right, okay, mana dia markup. So right, the market right over here, this point, right, it really start to come down. Then I thought to myself, dia white swinging market, right? I think it will come down to here. Right, I thought it will come down to here. But it did not do that. It continued going up. So it's my fault lah. It's my fault. TikTok don't allow you to share screen. No, they don't. They are messing with me, bro. They are sumpah. They are messing with me. They are trying to get me right to quit. They want me to stop doing what I'm doing here. I swear. Right, I don't know why, right? They just don't want me to do this content here. Like they're just trying to prevent me from doing this. This is the reason why I'm so like pissed off right now. Like this is the what I have to resort to. Like this whole thing. Like you see my fingers, like dang. I have to do this, you know. It's quite depressing actually, but you know what? Rezeki masing-masing. I'll just deal with it, you know. Right. Shai said, "Oh, I have topic. Do you think Trump's tearing stuff was just a market manipulation?" Yes, it is. It's manipulation 1-to-1. It's not even like a conspiracy theory. It's just like it is. It is a manipulation tactic. Sharing chat is illegal, is it, for TikTok live? Okay, here's the thing. Last time, right, I got a ban while sharing chat. Then I was like, okay. Then the second time I got banned for sharing chat. Then I was like, okay. Aku telan, you know. Then the third time I got banned, right, I wasn't even sharing chat. I was drawing on my iPad. I was drawing the market structure and I was telling you guys like this is where the market is at, this is the price that is at, right? This is how it's moving. I was just doing that and they banned me. Then I was like, okay, I got banned. Then what? Like I banned already, what? So I tried to get my account back. Then I got in touch with TikTok lah. I got in touch with TikTok trying to get my account back. And then nothing. They never get back to me. They get back to me already. Like after like 1 month, I randomly tried to log into my account. They give me my account back. Then they just like, oh, okay, here you go. Here's your account. Then I was like, so did I do anything wrong? They're like, oh no, nothing. We found that nothing was wrong with your video. Then why you ban me in the first place? Then like I just sick and tired lah. I'm just sick and tired lah. Like see, Malaysia you see can. Like Melayu je diorang ban. Anjay diorang. Singapore macam akan ban. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why sah. I got a feeling like deep down is like ada orang mata merah and orang tu tak happy and orang ban aku and say that aku scammer ke apa. Because right, I see orang like people in the US, right, they are doing live streaming of their they got like 18,000 plus followers, 20,000 plus followers, 100,000, 182,000 plus followers. They can do, but Singapore suddenly I cannot do. Right? No, I see other Singaporean creators share screen on the chat. That's the thing. Nobody bans them. But because I'm a small creator, I get banned. By the way, we are at $375. Sorry. Yeah. But yeah lah. I think just because I'm a small creator, you know, then I get banned. Like just because I cannot support myself. I think TikTok they just want my money, They want me to pay, I think. I don't know. I think it is, you know. It's one of them because they have came into my life before. I don't know if you guys remember. Like a few of them, like the other creators came into my life before, and then dorang buat hal, then after that terus aku tak boleh pakai account. Yeah, I think it's the first one that you mentioned Mr. Taekwondo shirt guy. But okay, sekarang just an update on the account. We are at about 360 pips, $360 worth of profit Right, we just let the good times roll No stress, no muss, no fuss. What if I actually move my phone, right, and then I like move it down instead, and then I rotate. Can I rotate? And then I point it up. Is that better? Oh dude, why didn't I think of this earlier? I can just put it right in front of me. Hold on. Let's see if I can do that sabar. Jangan mati dulu. Ready, show or not? I don't know if shock but this is what I see Maybe you guys can take a look here or macam like that. Can I do that? But not steam Can I adjust? Cannot ah. Play masa. Wait. I try. 16/9. Oh, okay. What about now? Like okay only. Actually not okay ah. For this Saturday class, can I still join? Can, just DM me, bro. If I can figure this out lah. You know what? I should just put it back to normal lah. This is just issues, bro. I cannot. This that just now the setup was the best I can do. If not, right, it's like it's just ugly lah. I'm not happy with it either, but what can I do, you know? Just fit to screen, and then I just move it up lah. Okay lah, at least you guys can see the chart a bit better, you know. If not, just issues lah. Camera focus. Right, I'll move this camera. What if I move this like here? Nicer. Then I just point it down a bit. No? That not nice lah. Janji dapat cat lah. Adalah. Actually kan, why not you just buy a stream deck? Makes your life so much easier. You can swap angles at the push of a button. I want to buy, but honestly, actually now that I start streaming more often, right, stream deck is more useful lah. Right, you are right lah. What if your camera face the screen, then your phone face your muka? That is actually a good idea. So I will try that. Right, how do I like? I cannot like a comment. I cannot like, but yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. Tomorrow I try. We are at 414, 15, 20. We are at $420, 426. Right. Solid lah. Can buy at Simlim. Yeah, I know can buy at Simlim. I can buy online also at Shopee, but then just mahal. But okay lah, today make $500. Can think about it, you know. Anyways, I show you guys my Euro USD trade. Sekarang dah tengah positif. Right. I was greeding just now, but then now I managed to pull into a trade lah. Right. Right now I'm about, how many pips positive is this? 40 pips positive on the first one, and the next one I'm up about 10 pips on the next one. So quite solid lah. All in all, for tonight I will be up about, let me check custom period. Today. Okay. Oh, betul lah. Today I'm up about $280. If I close all the trades right now, I'll be up 600 lah. Please let's go You know what? I will close the Euro JPY trade, cause that one's like macam tai It's really very bad. Don't buy from Shopee. Barang gini not from Shopee. Go down to Simlim and buy. Asal So far I buy from Shopee is like around the same price as Simlim. Really, it's around the same. Okay, I'm gonna close the Euro JPY because it's just bad Close full. Where's this EJ trade? Close. Alright. Right now we are positive 475. Let's go. I think can halala. Ya habibi. Close. We are up 500 now. Solid. Sumpah solid. Let me show you all. Right, 500. Right, we are playing around there lah. Right, we're about 503. 503. Quality kadang-kadang scam. Oh dang, I didn't think of that. Okay, anyways, this is the movement right now. We are up about $517 right, for today's trade. And then this is the setup lah. Right, this is for Euro USD, quite solid. The other one that's doing very very well is actually this one. Can see I'm about to hit my TP. Right, can see that I'm about 387 pips up. By the way, right, I don't know if you guys know, but this is a new tool that I have. I found a new one. If you guys want this, right, just let me know. I can get for you all. Alright, you just let me know, cause this is the one that is solid. Hey, thanks for the share, Mr. Chan. Right, pin that comment. If you guys share, I'll be very very grateful. But yeah, this is a new tool that I found, which is damn solid. Right, can I? Hey, Syed, we find a day that you can meet me, then I can share the tool with you. Right, but right now we are up. This one, $360. You know why this tool is so good or not? I show you. So currently, right, I'm in this trade, right. Then you can see that this is my stop loss, okay. Right, there's this button over here. It's called this swing point. When I click on this button, right, it will auto move the stop loss for me. Right, okay, so let's say I move it far away first. So I drag it because I did it. So I put the stop loss over here. Then what I can do, right, is it will show you how much loss you are in. So this one, if I put the stop loss this far, it will be 5k loss lah. Then it will be about 111 pips of profit, $111 of profit. But I don't want the loss to be so far. I want it to set a auto stop loss for me. So I just click on this button, swing point, and it will automatically put a stop loss for me. Look, I click, click, boom, automatic stop loss. And you can see it's risk to reward calculated. Solid, bro. Sumpah solid. Right? What tool is that? Somebody asked me. What tool is that? This is this tool. Right? It is my PTM tool. It's patent is proprietary lah to our company. Let me put you guys back on the phone mount. No, at least the phone I can move. The camera mount I cannot move. Right, once we're up to $600, I'll close. Right now we're at 555. Only stop loss good. Yeah. Dude, it's automatic stop loss. Automatic break even. What's not to like, bro? What is not to like? He used stop loss as an example. Yeah lah. Sabar. I can auto stop loss, auto break even, can close partials, right? You can buy stock, sell stock, calculate automatic risk management. Just solid lah. Got other stuff in the tool where can buy. What? Can you ask the question properly? I don't understand, bro. Like, is English your first language? I'm sorry if I'm making fun of you. Okay, we are up $600. I'm gonna close. I close the big winners first which is my, actually, you know what, forget just let it run $600 is solid, right? But I did analyze for it to go much higher. For this Euro USD, I think I will lower this target a bit so everything is aligned. Where can buy this tool? You DM me, right? Then you can meet up at my office, then you can buy. If it has the ability to auto stop loss, has the ability to do other features of same capability. Yeah, more or less lah. More or less. Right, the auto stop is really the main feature. This is our like basic, my most basic tool that I have. I have others of course but that one I cannot show on the live because that one is literally too powerful Right. Once this trade close, right, I will end the stream. I'll be happy already. Right, because I'm up. I just maybe 650. We try. I don't know. Right now the only loser is the US 500 trade, which I really did profit from, but there's a short pullback right now. But it's okay lah, I can afford to wait, you know. No fear, no surrender. This one is really no fear, no surrender. You cannot have any fear this kind of trades. Okay, we are almost hitting our TP for Euro USD. Come on. Almost hit TP already. We are almost there. How many pips? Let me check. Have a look, guys. We are over here. Almost hit TP already. You can see all of it light up in green already. We're at 650 now, guys. 650. We're at 650 now. Set B je lah. Alice memang sanggup tunggu. Aku memang sanggup tunggu this one, I want this to close This is kirakan a scalp already. Right. Right. We are 8 pips away for Euro USD to close Right. So I will wait out for that one. Right. It's already set at BE lah for all of this. Right. I just press the button and it's auto break even. It's like hacks, you know. You see See, I press the button, boom, auto break even. Okay, so this is the tool. Then I can see there's a button over here that's called break even. Right, then I just click over here. Boom, auto break even. It's so chill, I love it so much. Don't lose money the moment that you're in profit. Do you give signal? No, you don't. Trade your own capability and risk. Thanks, Shahir. Thanks for the jawabans, man. Right, I love you, sir. Love you guys. So supportive. Serious. Right. Serious. Thanks, bro. Legit means a lot. Right. But I was thinking about just giving out analysis lah, more analysis inside my Telegram group instead of just giving out signals, because like signals is just not good lah. Right. But I'd rather give analysis. Hey, thanks, Shahir. All love, bro. All love. Okay, right now we're at 6:30. 6:30. Just now we're at 6:50. So I will write this wave. Is this Nasdaq trade? It's playing with me, bro. You want to know how many pips away I am? Okay, look at this. Look at how close it is to my TP. I'm like point how many pips away. If it's still playing, I will just close it. Okay, it's closed already. Right, it hit the take profit already. Right, we're done. We're done. Boom. We are up $600 on the day, bro. Damn. Yeah, like Shahid said, better not to follow signals and follow analysis instead. Right, that is definitely the play. Okay, you know what? I'm very happy already, right, with all these other trades that are running the profit. For Euro USD, right, what I will do is I will actually move the SL, right, slightly above. Right, I'll move it slightly above. So in that case, what will happen is, if let's say the trade goes against me, I'm still profitable. For this one as well, right? Let me look at M30 and H1. Okay, M30 looks good. H1 looks good as well. I think, right, we can end on the day with $800 of profit. Legit, we can end the day with $800 worth of profit. That I'm not kidding. This is the first time like the stream is this successful lah. Right, it's been a while since I had a stream that was like properly profitable like today. I'll just show you guys. This is today's results. Will it not focus? Never mind. You know what? I will just the Mars Rider says, your thoughts on funded accounts, sir. I would like to ask you this question. Do you know of a shop that sells you money? Right? Complete a challenge and I'll give you money. Right? Do a couple of steps and I'll give you money. Right? This place is called a bank. Right? If you say funded account, you are wrong. Right? This place is called a bank. And banks already has been doing this for like the longest time. Funded accounts are a new thing. Right? If you think about this in this sense, banks, right, are so hesitant to give people money. Right? They will have to check your background, check how much you're earning, ask you to come down with a guarantor. But funded accounts don't do that. Because why? Plain and simple, they're not giving you actual money. Right? They're not giving you actual money. If they were giving you actual money, right, then they would be a bank. If they are a bank, right, then you would have to do bank stuff for you to get the money. Right? So it's super duper sketchy. Like Shahir says, it's super duper sketchy, and I agree with this. And they're taking advantage of people's like desperation or people's like eagerness to earn inside the Forex market or whatever market they're trading in, right? To the point that boom, they end up right spending or like falling into a trap. Most of these are scams, you know. Right? It's an illusion of being funded. You're not actually funded. They're just giving you more leverage. At the end of the day, they're not giving you more money. Sometimes, right, I've ever even heard of people right, they sign up for funded account and it's not real, it's actually a demo account. I don't hear of much people cashing out from funded accounts, you know. Like my close friends, I've never heard of anyone saying, oh, I cashed out from my funded account. I only ever hear it, right, over the internet. I've never ever met a single person, right, that's cashed out from a funded account. If you go to Reddit, right, and you search funded accounts, right, people will say they cash out all the time, right. But when you see the real Reddit people and all the bots, right, they say that these people, right, are being sent by the funded accounts to leave these positive reviews. Funded accounts are so sketchy. So sketchy, bro. If you find a good one, good for you. But if you ask me whether it's for me, no, it's not. Plain and simple, it's not. It's so sketchy. Super duper sketch. But actually, it's them trapping you to spend money with a false sense of security, with no sense of yeah, it is. It actually is. Like, it's so frustrating because like everybody is falling like victim to this, and then like there's people promoting this and saying that it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, but it's not. It's really, really not. Right? The Mars Rider says thank you. Hey, bro, no, you're welcome, man. Seriously, you're welcome. Like, I really don't want you to lose money. And like, you look at Shahir. Shahir over here also, like, he also doesn't want you to lose money. So yeah lah. I really think that I want to build a wholesome community, right? That doesn't encourage people to do like stupid things and lose their money. Two riders beyond says, where is gold going? Let me have a look. Let's have a look together. Okay, look at this chart, right? Okay, you can refer to this over here. Look at the chart right over here. This is what gold is doing. Right, let me just draw this out. Right, how do I do this? Let me just click this, bring this down real quick. I'll move this here lah, so you guys can see much clearer. Right, zoom in slightly. Make this wider. Move this here. Right, so this is what gold is doing, and it's been very, very frustrating, right? Because gold has just been making this sideways movement. Right, it's just been making this sideways movement. Hey, can I draw or not? Much appreciated, guys. Hey, no worries, Mr. Mars Rider. Right, yeah, this is a safe space to learn. I agree, legit. Like, this is somewhere where I want you guys to build yourselves and not have to worry about what info you're getting is like solid or not. I'm happy, right, if you guys want to fact check whatever I speak, because it just keeps me in check, right? It keeps me in check as a trader as well. And at the end of the day, it's also supporting whatever I have learned. So this everything that I'm regurgitating to you guys is not like I plucked it from the sky. It's like I had to learn this over like hours and hours. I've been training consistently for over 2 years already, and I've had a lot of losses and I had a lot of wins also. Today is one of the days where I won quite a bit, but you have to remember that at the end of the day, who gives what information to you is very, very important, right? If you have a friend that feeds like very, very toxic information to you, do you want that friend to be around all the time? I don't think so. Okay, so this is a screenshot of the chart on gold, right? Let me just edit this and like show you guys what I'm talking about. So marking this up over here, you can see, right, the structure right now, it is ranging. Right, you can see over here is ranging. It is going towards the side over here. How do I know that? Right, you look at your moving averages 1, 2, and 3. Right, when your moving averages, right, when they point towards 3 o'clock, like this, so it's 3 o'clock, right, 3 p.m. Right, when they point towards 3 p.m. like this, right, you can see 1, 2, and 3, they're all pointing towards 3 p.m. When they're pointing towards 3 p.m. like this, right, it means there is a sideways market. It's confirming it to you that this is a sideways ranging market. Now, if this is a sideways ranging market, right, you clearly, plain as day, know. Oh my days, what is going on now? I want to erase my brush stroke, also cannot. Problems, Okay, sorry, it's loading. Okay, back. Right, if you look over here, like what's going on is it's sideways and ranging, right? And this is happening right after a strong uptrend. So when you see a sideways ranging market right after a strong uptrend on XA, this is XAUSD. Let me just label this over here, XAUUSD, right, or gold, right? This is on the H4 time frame. Right, so what we are seeing is sideways ranging markets, right? And we see a lot of negative signs over here, right? If let's say, right, the candlesticks over here, right, were to break this level and fall further, sorry, if the candlesticks break this level, it will fall further. It will fall further, right? But with gold, right, seeing how bullish it was, it should go much higher. But right now, I think gold is being manipulated. Gold is being manipulated and it's being kept down. I really think that it should be worth a lot more than what it is right now. But as always, after gold's big bull run, we always see a pullback, right? I really do think it will continue on its journey up lah. But right now, what's the play? It is actually moving sideways. It's moving sideways. It's not conclusive, right? But if it does break over here, it will fall further. It will fall further if it breaks. I'm saying that. I sell at 3240, 3243. Too early lah. Can lah, but too early lah. It needs to break the 200 EMA, then it will fall. Signs of possible dip, definitely, right? Because this is a double top chart pattern anyways. Right, it's a double top chart pattern. Another way of seeing this is right is as a pennant as well, but you have to watch it play out. Has says hi Farul. Who's this? Sorry, nak kena tengok muka. Oh shit, Azrul. It's been so long since I seen you. Are you going for the seminar or not? Huh, Azrul? You going or not for the seminar on Saturday? Kerja that day. Oh, it's okay lah, it's okay. At least kerja keras kerja keras. It's been a while since I saw you. Next refresher come down lah. Howard says you do coaching? Yes, I do. But I saw Daniel tadi text kat group. Yes, he come back after so long, Daniel. Right, it's been so long since I saw him. It's been long since I saw you also. Perjumpaan Hari Raya, I thought, oh, see you. But then kau tak datang. Then aku macam sedih pula. Right. Wait for the deep break 200 AMA. Yes, Shahil, let's the play. Right, Howard says you do coaching? Yes, I do. Just get in touch with me. Paid coaching or depends what type of coaching that you want. Just get in touch with me, then I'll see how I can help you. Right. What was the biggest loss you've heard? 30k. 30k. Somebody in my community came to me and he said he lost 30k. He didn't lose it all in one night. This is how he lost it. So right, he learned trading right for some gurus on TikTok, and then after that they were telling him, oh, just full margin or just layer, just open up many trades. Layering is a scam, by the way. Layering is a scam. If anybody teach you to layer, right, they are scamming you. Serious, they are scamming you. Right. Anyways, this guy was taught to layer, which is like a scam thing. Use war account lah, follow signals lah, open up big margin lah, just spam the buy button until you hear that stupid sound, right? And then what happened was, he did it every single month. He would top up 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. And then at the end of the month, he lost 30k. 30k in 1 month. Freaking crazy. 30k in 1 month is freaking crazy. Right? 30k, right? I don't know about you. It's still a lot for me. It's still a lot. Right? I'm not hyper rich or anything. It's still a lot to me. Right? Anyways, we are up $224 right now. I'm really happy. Right now we are up $600 on the day, but if we close this, it will be up $800 for the day. Right? What are the chances of gold going down? Very, very likely actually. Very likely. But for now, you have to wait for it to play out. You need to wait for it to play out. It's sideways. You need for it to break the 200 EMA, but it's very, very difficult. If you realize, you look over the past few months, you can see gold touch 200 EMA, bounce up. Touch 200 EMA, bounce up. See over here? See over here? Touch 200 EMA, bounce up. Touch 200 EMA over here. Will it bounce or not? I don't know. Right? We zoom out. Every single time it touches the 200 EMA, it climbs up. It's crawling consistently along the 30. If it breaks the 30, 200 saves it and it crawls around the 30 again. So this is how it goes. Howard says, I started trading yesterday. Dude, if you started trading yesterday, you shouldn't be using your real money. Seriously, worst thing ever to do. And you should not be trading on gold. Gold is the worst thing to trade. Absolute worst thing to trade if you're a beginner. And you should not be trading there, especially if you just started trading. Play your demo first or just keep watching the live. Howard says, oh damn. Yeah, legit, you will lose money. You will lose money. I cannot tell you how many people, right, they join like some random group and then they just lose money, bro. Should I be ashamed? I lost 25k. Don't worry. 25k still not the most I've ever heard of. Don't be ashamed, right? You still need to remember that I don't know if you're Muslim or not, right? But in life, right, we believe that everything, every single piece of wealth, every single bit of health that's given to you, right, has been written down for you before you were even born. So if you were meant to lose the 25k, then you were meant to lose it lah, right? But now that you are here, I would like to encourage you or like inculcate this sense of responsibility lah upon your own money lah. I also want to be responsible for you guys. I do not want you guys to lose money. Shahid going to say already. Gold is like Champions League finals. It is. Trading gold is like trading Champions League finals. If you guys, right, should play Sunday League first, right? So ask yourself, if I tomorrow want to play football, do I want to play with Messi and Ronaldo? Not with, against. Do you want to play against Messi and Ronaldo or you want to play against some Madrid bawah block first? I think I play with Madrid bawah block first. Because even then, I don't know if I will win or not. Easy say, when we look at trend, what is the recommended time frame? H4 and above. Don't look below H4. Below H4, right, all you get is noise. right? So smaller time frame is very very scary to trade. Very very scary to trade because right, you cannot be confident. You cannot be confident because the movement is very very fast. You cannot keep up. If you are a beginner trader, right, you need some time to analyze. If the movement is too fast, you cannot keep up, then you get caught out. But if the time frame is slower, right, it's easier for you to follow along. H4 is super easy. I'm telling you, super easy to trade with, right? But if you trade at a higher time frame, sorry, at a lower time frame, like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, you are going to get caught out. You will get lucky. Confirm you'll get lucky, but you will get caught out. You will get caught out, right? So try your best not to put yourself in a position to get caught out because it's just way you will just lose money. Like I cannot tell you how many people, right, I've met they win at first then they lose. Got this one friend, he like to brag to me. He say, "Oh Farouk, I make 1k in one night." Then I'm like, "Oh okay, good for you why you don't do that anymore?" Then he say, "Oh like very stressful very stressful." Then I like okay like why would you brag to me that you make 1k in one night and then you suddenly stop because it's too stressful? If you know what you're doing, you know you can make 1k in one night, then continue lah sia. Doesn't make sense to me, what? So beginners, right, I would just say I recommend you try Euro USD like what Shahid said, and you trade H4 or daily time frame. That's the best, right? Thanks Shahid. You should start doing live Take over me already. Serious, take over me. You come here, you sit here, you do live here. Thanks for the joining my team, Mr. Howard. Thanks for the heart. Right. Saya cakap, tak nak lah. But you know all the lines already, bro. You're taking the words out of my mouth. Ikram says, hello. Hello, Ikram. It's been a while since I saw you also. See you on Saturday, Ikram. A beginner try to trade gold and trade on the H4 or daily time frame. Dan says, hello, man. Hi, Dan. It's been a while since I saw you, man. Right. I hope you're doing okay, sir. You still doing wedding photography, man? Mr. Dan? Mr. Dan, my man. See you, Ikram. See you. Let me just update again how much we are up by. I'm just gonna take the camera. Oh no, the camera disconnected because I pressed the button. Paiseh. The camera should be back now. You in a trade? Yes, I am, Ikram. I am. Bodoh lah. My camera is lagging, bro. Oh my days. I should have not picked it up. See? Itchy hand, then straight away this happened. Okay. My camera is back. So I'm in a trade. Right now we are up $313. Right, we are up $313. Right, 318, playing around there. Today's account history, we are up 650. Right. Okay lah. Stop at 1k or stop at 900? What's the play here, guys? Stop at 1k or stop at 900? I don't know. Let me just put my camera back real quick. That's itchy, are you? Oh, that's me, by the way. Right, in this camera over here, that is me. I don't know if you guys can see. Never mind, forget about it lah. I'm just gonna put this back. It looks good Does that look good? That does not look good. Why is it like that? Okay. Oi. Okay, that's better. Kalau boleh 1.2k. Jangan lah saya. 1.2k just susah saya. Right, I think I'll stop at 900 lah. Honestly, I feel like it's enough. Right, maybe 1k is like pushing it a bit, cause that's another 100. Rose Ruby says, is that actual value? What do you mean by actual value? Right. Okay, right now we're at 900. Maybe I don't end at the price lah. I end at time. Let's say this one go completely negative against me then at least you can see panic. Like, oh no, I'm losing money. It'd be quite funny actually. Teach me trade, bro. How, what? You can DM me, or if you're free this Saturday, This Saturday I got a free class. It's at Hotel Jen Tanglin from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Right? Yeah. 8:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Just come on down lah. Ikram will be there. Ikram will be there. Who else will be there? Hazrul cannot make it. He's working. Syahir also working. Ada manis-manis kah? Manis-manis tu apa siut? Right, Dan follow. Thanks for follow Dan. Thanks for follow. Right, I didn't know you still here. Come Saturday. Ada Ikram going already. Kan I pin. Right, come Saturday got a free class. Free class. Free lunch, yes. Free buffet at Hotel Jen Tanglin, bro. It's a freaking 4-star buffet. I don't know what else to say. It's free, bro. Yes, got free buffet. Go, guys. I shy, ah. No need to shy, ah. Who just now Haris and Velra also wanted to go. They were saying lah they want to go together. If you want to go, just go with them, ah. No worries, man. Or okay, if you shy, right, bring a friend. Go and ask like one of your close friends if he's free that day, and then you ask like, you want to go down together? Then just get in touch with me and then you go together, No worries, bro. Right now we are up 300. Total profit for today is $900. But I hard to learn, bro. If with that kind of mindset, right, you will never go far. You need to have that kind of positive mindset and tell yourself that I can do it. I can learn. Like, dude, if you tell yourself, right, it's hard for me to do something, right, then you lose before you even start. Like, you literally shot yourself in the foot before you even started trying. Like, don't put yourself in a box, bro. Don't put yourself in a box. Like, I read this recently, right. They said that the power, right, of influence, right, is ridiculously strong. And what do I mean by this? So, wait, you know what? Let me record this, because honestly, this is a very good piece of content. I'm going to record this. Right, the power of influence, right, I don't know if you guys heard, is incredibly strong. So what do I mean when I talk about the power of influence? So when I refer to the power of influence, what I'm actually talking about is the power of self-talk. Okay, think about this. When you're hanging out with a group of friends, right, if let's say you hang out with a group of friends that's always very negative, that tells you bad things, that, oh, you're good for nothing, or you can't do this, or you can't do that, or you'll never become like buff, or you'll never become successful, or you'll never get this job, you'll never amount to this, you'll never get someone, let's say a very pretty girlfriend, or something like that, right? If you always have people, right, that's telling you negative things, right, then you will always feel negative of yourself. But if you surround yourself with positive people, people that encourage you, people who push you to do better things, people who are telling you like, oh, hey bro, definitely you can go and get a spot in this school. Bro, you can definitely score high well for this exam. Bro, if you definitely put in the work, you'll definitely do well for this exam. Like, if you surround yourself with this kind of people, right, you will feel that nothing is out of reach because these people are pushing you to do better. Even when you doubt yourself, right, these people will push you. But the thing is, right, the one person you hang out with the most is not your friends. The person that you hang out with the most is yourself. Because when you're walking from A to B, right, if you're sitting on your bike or you're driving your car, right, during those 30 minutes, right, when nobody is in your car and you're all alone heading somewhere, or if you're walking home by yourself, or if you're standing in the shower and just not thinking about anything, right, when you talk to yourself, right, you are being the most negative person there, you know. You don't realize it, but this influence, right, that you have on yourself is incredibly powerful. Like, I'm completely useless, or I cannot do this, or I suck, yeah. Why can't I do well for my exam? Or I'm totally horrible, or I cannot study. It's okay, I'm not meant to be studying. This self-talk, right, that is so negative, right, is bringing you down, you know. It is just as good as having 5 other people standing around you all the time telling you negative things. Don't do that to yourself. You are shooting yourself in the foot. You are second guessing yourself. You are second doubting yourself even before you even start on your journey. Even before you want to start improving yourself, you're already knocking yourself down. Don't do that, guys. Serious, do not do that. Right? If you want, right, try meditating. Try repeating like words of affirmation to yourself. It sounds super duper cringe, but that's because it is. You might think it's normal, right, to hate on yourself, to say bad things about yourself, right? But it has become so like weird and like out of touch, right, to tell yourself good things, right, that it really feels cringe. But you need to, because if you don't tell yourself these things, who's gonna tell you this? But I'm not telling you to tell yourself like I'm the best person in the whole wide world. I'm asking you to tell you things like, bro, if you do it, you can be successful. I'm not asking you to say that you're the best. I'm asking you to tell yourself that you will amount to something if you try. That is one place to start. But if you tell yourself, right, that even before trying, right, you are garbage, then you will forever be garbage. You will only be as good as who you think you are, as who you set yourself out to be. And while I was saying this, all my trades have closed. I don't know if you saw my trade disappeared. My trade disappeared, bro. Oh my days. Okay. Wait, let me end the 3 minute run. I'm sorry about that. I never see the chat. Hey, ugly MF sent a rose. Thanks for the rose, bro. Yeah, Ikram says over here, Shahid says over here, regret is more expensive than failure, and it's better to try and fail than not to do and regret later. Ikram says, better to start somewhere, you need to take that first step. I agree. Shahid says, failure got a bit of value. Betul? Ugly MF says, drink up water, bro. I got it, man. I got it right here. Failure is the best teacher, betul. Right? Just make sure how you fail also is important. Strategic failure is actually incredibly important. Right, this water parade me right now, guys. Doubt is the thief of success. You know what's another thief of success? Comparison. Comparison and jealousy, right, is a thief of success. It removes all feeling of joy. Ugly MF says, so long never see him live. Hello, bro. It's been a while. My bad. Okay, gotta go do stuff now. Bye, Shahid. Take care. Right, take care, bro. Right, finally gotta go back to work. See y'all again tomorrow night, inshallah. I mean, see you, bro. Jala, tell yourself you can do it. Yes, honestly. What should I do now with myself? What are you doing? Selling gold or what? Right, let me know. Update me. I'm not in the picture. But just to update you guys, okay, gold, what do you sell at? What price? Just to update you guys, today's profit is up $936. Is that a signal or what? Why everybody sell that price? It's such a shitty signal though. User, yeah, I'm having a seminar on 17 May. For real. You wanna come? It's free. Just drop me a DM. Right, drop me a DM. Or you can WhatsApp me at this number. Sammy Salami says, I can't attend, but inshallah next time. Thanks for being my first teacher in training. Hey, thanks, bro. No worries, man. Hey, Sammy, if let's say you can't make it for the seminar, right, you can always text me, right? If let's say there's enough of you guys, let's say maybe 5 of you guys. If there's 5 of you guys right here who are willing to learn, right, I can set up a sponsored course. Meaning to say, right, 5 of you guys come aboard, come to my office. I teach 5 of you all, free, legit. I say now only. 5 of you all. If you guys can find 5 of you all, right, that want to go together, right, I will teach you guys for free. You'll find a day. Right, so far we got one Sammy Salami if you want to come down. Tengah makan serious, damn serious ah. Yes, serious. I will teach 5 of you guys for free if you want to come down. Ikram said I want to come. Can. Ikram, you can come. Free for you already. This one I see you every week, so you also can. What says, so what should I do now, bro? Just hold lah. What can you do? It's either you hold or you cut. There's no other thing you can do. Either you take the L or you keep rolling. SM Zaki is here. This guy, Zaki, you last time our student, right? Dang. Yeah, okay, anyways, this is the number lah. If you want to get in touch with me, right? If you want to get in touch with me, you can just can text me or WhatsApp me at this number. Right, I'll get in touch with you. Right, you just let me know. I want to come down on 17th of May, or I want to come for like the class or whatever, right? Just let me know. Let me know. Oh, for it lah. Dang. Long time no see, bro. Right, it's been a while since I saw you, actually. What else? Is it hard to learn trading? Depends. If kau punya orang malas-malas, right, lazy to put in the effort, don't want to learn, want to earn quick money now, then yes, trading is very hard to learn. Very hard. But if you're the type of person who understand patience, who want to grow themselves, right, who want to do this long term, who want to change their life, who wants to do this for the rest of their life, who want to make this their lifestyle, who really say, okay, this is the time to make the change, then yes, trading is easy, right? What if you have an addiction in trading? What kind of addiction? Over trading? Revenge trading? Really depends. Sammy Salami says, oh, thanks for the offer, we'll reach out. No problem, bro. Right, anything, just that number lah. Right, ZCAwa says, hi bro, hey man, how you doing? Right? Two riders beyond says overtrading. Yeah, overtrading. Right, overtrading is definitely an issue. Right, it's definitely an issue. Right, when it comes to overtrading, right, it's definitely an issue because people feel like it really depends. There's many reasons for overtrading. Eh, somebody tell Shahid that we hit our 1K goal for the day. Yes, we hit the 1K goal for the day. Tiala, you are right. You are 100% right. I saw the chat. You are 100% right. If it's easy, everyone will be doing it. I always say this. Every time people come to my office, right, people ask, like, trading easy, trading difficult. I always say, let's be real. If trading was as easy as following signals, nobody will be being a food panda rider. Nobody will be a Grab driver. Nobody will be a cleaner. Nobody will want to work all those menial jobs. Not saying that these jobs are horrible, that these people are stupid. No. Right? I'm trying to say that these are the jobs that usually are the most easily accessible for uni students, for students, right? For people without like a proper like higher education, right? These are the most accessible jobs to them. And if trading was as easy as following signals, then even these people, right, even my nenek, right, even my grandfather, my grandmother, right, don't need to work as a cleaner at some primary school, don't need to open canteen shop, don't need to work at hawker center. They just follow signals, what? Then, right, if trading was as easy as following signals, the entire Temasek Holdings, the entire CPF account, nobody follow, everybody follow the signal group. But why don't they do that? Why do we still have banks and accountants? Why? Why do we still have analysts? Right? Why do we still have these people? Because plain and simple, signals don't work. They work for a while only. Right? You have to understand where these signals come from also. These people that give signals, right, they just want your money, bro. Molly Ikram says, "Wow, Temasek Holding give signal, I take." It's the other way around. Why this signal group so good? The signal groups out there are so good. Some people say 100% immediate, all that, right? But Temasek Holding don't want to follow their signals. Why? Don't make sense, right? Yeah, Howard say, but it looks kind of hard. It will always be hard. What is the highest earning you make in a day? So far today is quite solid. Today we're at 1K. Today we're at 1K, yeah. What can I say? Today we're at 1K. Howard said, I think you need to change your mindset first. Chala, I think you are right, but there's a more polite way of saying that. Obviously, your mindset, right, needs to be appropriate also before you approach trading. This is not some like Sigma grindset mindset. No. Right, you just have to approach it with a little bit of self-confidence, a little bit more optimism, and approaching your chart more confidently. You have to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, then obviously you will feel this lack of confidence. Then you will feel like, oh, it's difficult. I don't know what I'm doing. Or I feel like I'm going to lose money. Obviously, right? Sami Salami said, you can follow signals yet they profit while you hit as a not experienced AM. Sami Salami, oh my days. I cannot tell you how many people, right? How many students come and meet me. And then they say, bro, the signal group, right? They always, I hit as then somehow they profit. Like, don't understand. They sell, I sell. They profit, I lost. How? They're scammers, bro. I started seeing more of your lives when my friends started to introduce me to trading, tengah makan. I mean, I am talking about trading, right? So, it's okay lah. But your friends, what did they trade, bro? What did they trade? I mean, this is a good place to join. So far, right now, in this life alone, up 1K. We are up 1K. Which is quite solid. Gold and Bitcoin at most. Gold and Bitcoin is dangerous, okay? It's the hardest thing to trade. It's the most volatile of all pairs. I'm telling you, be careful. Be careful, please. Bro, serious. You need to be careful. I'm telling you, it will be difficult. You will lose money, serious. Don't start with gold and Bitcoin. Start with Euro USD, okay? I'm not saying this because I want your money or whatever. No. I'm telling you this because I don't want you to lose your money because I'm very sure if you trade with gold and Bitcoin, you lose money. I know because I have over 400 students in my community. I know because I experience this a lot. People start with gold and Bitcoin, they lose money, then they say trading is a scam. Trading is not good. Trading will cause you to lose money. That's not the case, bro. You can make money in trading, but you cannot make money trading the most difficult things to trade. It's like saying like, I'm going to bring up this analogy again. If you start playing football, are you going to start playing Sunday League first? Or are you going to start playing at the Champions League final first? Right? If you start playing at the Champions League final, you are going to get trashed. Right? And gold and Bitcoin is like playing at the Champions League final. It's one of the most difficult pairs to trade. Right? you should start at the easiest stuff first. Euro USD is the easiest. Stick to that. Right, stick to that serious. Right, you will find it more easier and you will lose less money. Speaking of losing less money, right, I'm about to hit my TP. Right, very close to, very close to $100 on this trade. Please right, don't waste my time Mr. S&P 500. We are almost at 1k for the day. Actually, if I close this trade, we are at 1k for the day. But you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let me just show you guys the profit levels. Let me see if I can slide it up over here. You can see that right now we are at, what is this? Focus lah sir. Never mind lah. Wait, what am I doing? I can just show you on my phone, right? MetaTrader. Okay, so these are the live trades that are going on right now. Right, can see that we are up 99. And then these are the trades for today. Right, these are the trades for today. This is how much we got today. Right, if I close this running trade right now, we will be at $1,000. Right. Hey Panda, thanks for the follow, man. Right, let me pin that real quick. Please do, if you enjoy my content, please do follow. Right, it would really help support my account a lot. Right, we are trying to hit our follower goal. Right, above. Right, where is it? Here. We're trying to hit our follower goal right here. Right, so please do help us out. Help me out, and if you do the content and you enjoy the content, thanks bro. Thanks guys, Achat Mikhail, Fora, thanks for the follow, man. Thanks for the follow, serious. It really helps me out. Legit. Thanks guys. Thanks for helping me reach my follower goal. Thanks guys. Thanks Fora for sending the heart. Right, really, I appreciate it. Right, it's nice It's nice having this support and everything in this community. Charlie also, thanks for the follow, man. Right, thanks for the follow. Legit helps a lot, and I really hope to keep seeing you guys. I'm on live every single day at 10 p.m. or at least I try. I also have my own channel where I do give out my analysis, and I also give out just a little bit of some analysis updates on when I go on my live. Sometimes I can't go on live, then I'll just update inside the group. So you can get in touch with me. You can DM me and then ask for my channel if you guys want. You don't really have to, but you can. Right. So these are things that you guys can look forward to. Thanks Ikram. Live account ? Yeah. Oh. Can you see the trade running now? Euro USD, what lot size? For $200 capital. Oh my days, that is way too small. Wait, what is your leverage on the account? That's another question I need to ask. What is the leverage on the account? Because different account leverage levels would require different lot size. 1:300. Oh, sorry. My trade just hit my TP, and that's it. We are done for the day. Let me show you guys the profit for today. Right, just now our trade was open. Now it's closed. You can see this is our daily, and we are done. Right, that's it. I'm done for the day. Tapped out, guys. We are tapped out. Right, we are done for the day. Okay. So, back to the question for Wee Yang. 1:300. That is actually quite a small leverage, and that is also quite a small capital. I would really suggest for you to have a larger capital size before you even start trading. Right, minimum, right, I would say is 500. Recommended, I would say is 1,000. Right, to start off with. But if you really only have $200, what is the recommended capital size for 1:300? I would say the smallest lot size possible. Smallest, like 0.01 lot size, because you need to minimize risk upon yourself. Right, this account that I'm trading with, right, has 10k of capital. So this is what I can deal with a higher lot size. right? I can deal with a high lot size, but for yourself, right, if you're trading with a smaller capital, right, you should definitely deal with a smaller lot size. So some people, they are very, this is another thing for you to take note of. I'm going to record this also. I'm going to repurpose this as content. Some people, right, they have a very, very small capital size. Very, very small. Like, I'm talking like ridiculously small, like $100, $50, $80. They're trying to trade, right, big lot size with these small capitals, and they use huge leverage, like 1:1,000. Some even say that they have unlimited leverage account, which is ridiculous lah. When you are trading on these small account sizes, when you're trading with really, really small capital, and you're trying to aim, right, for big lot sizes, trying to make it or break it, right, what you're essentially saying, right, is I'm going to risk my whole account. Now, as a professional trader, right, nobody does that. Nobody ever risks their whole account. When they trade, right, at most they risk a certain percentage of their account. Now, just to tell you, right, professional traders, right, especially, I'll give you one example, Quant Edge, right, which is a hedge fund, right, based in Singapore and New York, right, over the past few years, right, I think since 2007 or 2008, they have averaged 22% per year. 22% gains per year. And there were some years, right, where they take negative, so negative 39%. For the whole year, they take a negative 39% loss, right? So you have to remember that if a hedge fund, right, at maximum takes a 39% loss on the year, you have to remember for yourself, right, if I'm trading, right, I have to take a 39% loss also. Let's say we apply it to ourselves. If I have a $100 account, right, that means at most I can only lose $39. But even so, right, $39 is too much. I would say the maximum loss you should put upon yourself, right, as a trader, is only 15%. Right, that is the loss percentage you should take. Right, so always, right, try to minimize, right, these losses upon yourself. Right, minimize these losses upon yourself. Minimize, right, this leverage or this risk that you put upon yourself when you trade. If you are trading with a small account size, use the smallest lot size possible. Please. Using anything bigger, right, would take you out. If you're trading with more than $1,000, then you're welcome to talk to me. But if you're trading, right, with $100, $200, $80, I'm not trying to say that you're poor, you're a peasant. No. What I'm trying to say is this capital is way too small. The floating or the drawdown will take you out. It is faster to hit your stop loss. It is more dangerous to trade with a smaller account size actually. So what we encourage is to build up your capital. But if you would like to trade anyway, go ahead, but on the smallest on the smallest lot size possible, okay? Right. Sorry, gotta make a quick clip, so that I can repurpose this content on my TikTok. I'm currently under prop firm, therefore my drawdown is low. Prop firm also is another issue, right? We have this all the time, right? This conversation all the time. Prop firms are shady, they're sketchy, they're scammy. Stay away, bro. Stay away. Right, Tiala says, whoa, nice, you're on 10% growth. Yep, 10%. 10% gain today. Yeah, you're right. Today is a 10% gain. Yesterday was about 5% loss, if I'm not wrong. Yesterday was bad. Yesterday was really bad. I'll be honest. I was down to 9,600. Right, I'll just share with you. Hey, hi Farul. Hi. Do I know you? Sorry, I need to see the face there. I know. Change begets change. Who's this guy? Who are you? Who are you, Mr. Change begets change? Funded next worth it. I don't know. I don't know what this. I don't know about this particular company, right? But what I'm trying to say is all funded accounts, all prop firms, shady as fuck, sketchy as fuck. Stay away. Right? Okay, I'm sorry for cursing. I'm sorry for cursing, but it's the truth. Right? They are shady as hell. Stay away. Right, Azmi says EU analysis please need semangat. Hahaha. Okay. A1 says I texted you the other day regarding on the seminar. Oh, okay, dude, are you coming down? By the way? Right. For those of you that is live and don't know about it, it's on the 17th of May. It's a free class that I'm having with free lunch at Hotel Jen Tanglin. Right. The food, right, is a 4-star buffet. So if you guys want it, don't miss out. DM me and get in touch with me. If you guys more urgent and you want to get in touch with me sooner, right, you can get in touch with me at this number via WhatsApp. Right, get in touch with me via this number via WhatsApp and then come. It's free of charge. I'm telling you, it's free of charge. All you have to do is show up. There's a small little no-show fee to deposit, right? But that's all you have to do. Just WhatsApp this number and I'll get in touch with you, right? But tell me lah that you're so and so from the live. If you don't tell me that you're from the live, then I don't know. Some people just message me like, hey Farul, I want to come. Like, who are you? Right. Young, you tell me lah which prop firm you're at, then maybe I know. But I personally I think it's all shady and scammy. Yeah. AI one, are you going or not? You haven't. I don't know. I hope so. I could come. The only thing is I might be working, bro. Oh sheesh. What time you working? Should I hedge or not? Asmil, you buy or you sell? Huh? Asmil, are you in a? Oh, you in a buy? Okay, what? I got out today, you know. I was in a drawdown, right? It was quite bad. I got out today, you know. But I opened two grids lah. I opened two grids on purpose. Grading. How many grids? But what do you mean by hedge? You mean what? Open a big sell ah? Don't do that ah. Don't sah. I sell the gold. My TP is 3244. Is that good? Let me see. Good luck ah. You scalping right? Asmil, too late for you to do that. It's too late for you to open a big buy. It's so close to the 200 EMA already. It's only 12 pips. Not enough chance. If I am, it'll be 12 PM till night. Oh, our seminar is from 2 to... It's from 8:30 AM to 2. So, a bit wasted sia. Never mind lah. It's okay. Like, if legit cannot, it's okay. Right, I won't force. But if you legit interested to learn, right, you can get in touch with me. We try to arrange a day. I want to organize a sponsored course for you guys. A free class. Right, maybe like 5 of you guys. Just 5 of you guys. Or maybe 5 or 10. We see how many people want. We follow the demand, right? If let's say 5 to 10 people legit want to come and join us to like learn how to trade, right? Then I will teach a class of 10 of you all. 5 to 10 of you all. We see the demand. If 5 people want to come, we do 5. If 10 people want to come, we do 10. A1, if you're down, right, just let me know. Right? We see what day we are free, then we plan for it lah. Right? Because I got a new office, then I want to use it lah. It's a bigger space. Right, just let me know. Dang, COVID going up sia. Like crazy sia guys, the numbers. What, 14,000 sia today. Tengah makan say, bro, I would join the sponsored course 100%. Just need to see the days cause schooling. What days you schooling? Weekends not schooling, right? Wiang say, where do you teach at? At my office. Is at around Pasir Panjang area there. Near Google. Do you know Google? The Google HQ it's near there. The building is like beside yeah. Okay lah, we already hit 1K for today. Weekends can lah. Can lah, then we arrange on weekends. We try to arrange on maybe like a Saturday or Sunday. Then we try to get 5 of you guys come down. I will like open form Then you guys can just fill out a Google form. See if you want to come down or not. Then we go from there. Okay, let's go. Alright. Anyways, judging by this is totally fine lah. A1 says, yeah, let's link up. Okay, so tengah makan got one. AI1 got one. Right, just now got another guy. I think What says he wants to come. Got another guy before that also. Vera say he was like shy but wants to come. I think so far we got about 4 people. Can lah. Maybe if Taekwondo shirt guy or Shahir want to come or whatever, then we can arrange together. Then we do one class together. That will be kind of sick. I think it'll be fun. Then I can show you this new tool Semi Salami also, he wants to go. Right, okay, there's this new tool that I have. Then maybe you guys can try it out Right, it'll be kind of sick. It'll be sick, fantastic. I don't do if buts or maybes, I do absolutes. I cannot say with that Scouse guy. Sadio Mane is the best player in the world. Hey, Esco! No, Esco! Oh my days! Esco! Oh my days! I need to pin this, It's been so long since I saw you, How you been, bro? How's SMRT treating you, bro? AI1 say crazy, you software developer too? No. We have our own development team right? So they develop for us. Ikram said, is that a new tool? Yes, it is. But don't worry, it's not as good as the one that you have. That one is way better, Ikram. Serious. Right, the TMG is way better than this. This is basically kita punya entry level tool. It's the entry level tool that we have. Esko say, busy lah. Alamak, it's okay lah, bro. Esko, this Saturday you busy or not? This Saturday we got seminar at Hotel Jen Tanglin. Got free food, bro. 4-star buffet, bro. I want to see you, sia. I haven't met you yet. If legit you free, right, and you want to come down, can, bro. It's 8:30 AM to 2 PM. If legit you want to come down, you just DM. Then kita plan. Kalau tak boleh, tak boleh. Tak boleh, tak apa. As aku cakap, clearing IPPT. Alamak, IPPT tak payah pergilah. No lah, I'm kidding. Go for IPPT. I don't want you to kena DB. I also haven't do IPPT yet. Alright, need to do. Tinggal 1 month. It's okay lah. Wasted lah. If not boleh jumpa, boleh link up. Right. Tengah makan sis Liverpool fan lah. Yes sir. Yes I am. Champions of England, bro. Right. Finally. It's been years. Sadio Mane. He's the best player in the world. Why are you laughing? I'm serious. I see there's some software using AI. Yeah. This one is not AI lah. The AI one that we have is different. But this one is cool lah. It's just cool. Okay. TikTok aku pun dah berabuk. Tapi aku datang balik dan dah. AI one says, is it trustable? My one I know that I can trust. But others that are out there, I don't know. Because the thing is, right, about AI tools, right, they are not dynamic. Right, my tools are semi-automatic, meaning to say, right, you set and forget, but when things go wrong, you can make the changes. But for other AI tools out there, right, you set and forget, right, and if things go wrong, you can't do anything about it. There's no manual override. There is no what if things go wrong system. There's a plan A lah. There's no plan B and C. That's why I feel that it's lacking out there. So with AI tools, right, from what I found is that they make 2 to 3% per month consistently. Some of them make 6% over 6 months, like about 1% per month on average lah. But they're not consistent. They're more consistent over longer terms, small percentages. But those AI tools that are very aggressive, that makes big percentages every single day, like 10%, 20%, right? They tend to blow up your account, which is the thing that I'm pretty pissed off about, because there is one such of these companies in Singapore promising to you that you'll make huge money with this, which is really not true lah. Right, because if that was really the case, then why would they be selling it to people like you? And why would they sell it for like $300? Right, if there was really such an AI tool that was so magical and so powerful, right, they would not give it to people for free or for cheap. Right, they will sell it to the banks for billions. Because 10% a day, right, if I was a millionaire, 10% a day is 100k a day. If I was a billionaire, right, 10% a day, right, is 1 billion a day. Like, let's say, not billion like flat lah. Let's say like 100 billionaire, or maybe like, if I had 1 billion, it's still a million a day, bro. Like, it doesn't matter. It's like 10 million a day. It's like, who cares? Like, at this point, like, it's so easy. So if there was such a tool that works, it wouldn't be for you. It wouldn't be for people like us. Which is why I would say, think for yourself lah. Have a discerning mind, Understand that these people, right, are just trying to get fast money from you. Esco said like that, everyone millionaire, correct? If you can make 10% a day, within, I think it's like 2 months you're a millionaire. It's like freaking ironic. Yeah, I agree. AI want it. I agree. That's why I never sell your koyuk. I have tools that help me trade. It is magical to a certain extent, right? But it's not magical to the point where like it does like things that are beyond belief, like 10% a day. No. Can make 10% a day? Possible. Can. Every day? No. Cannot. So that's the play lah. Anyways, it's gonna be midnight soon, and I already hit my 1k goal for the day. I already hit 10% on the day. Yes, I did open a very big lot size, even bigger than I'm supposed to. But it was a scalp lah. What can I say? It was a scalp, and we went the right way. We analysed correctly, so I think we take the win and we move along lah. We take the win and we move along, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10 PM again for my live. Right, I'll be on here every day at 10 PM. Inshallah, I'll try my best. Scalp konon. Aku try je. Today aku try je. You want to see or not? Let's go. I show you. I don't know if you got see or not. How like that? How like that? How? Got. I took some big losses also lah at the start, but with greeding I got out. Huh? Amboi. So yeah, 1K on the day is okay already lah. But my account size is big, so it's okay, can tahan. So yeah lah, it's possible to make money with trading. It's possible. But I tell you first, my everyday is not like this. Yesterday was negative. Yesterday I make negative 400. Today I make positive 1K. So we are up 600. So you have to look lah. You have to look on the day itself. Okay, some days will be good, some days will be bad, but it's important to manage your losses well. If you guys want to learn how to trade, this Saturday I'm having a free class. You can get in touch with me via my DMs and we can schedule from there. If you cannot make it for this Saturday, let's get in touch with me. Right, I will give you another date where we can make another free class, and then you guys can come down. Right, so yeah, that's all. I'm gonna close and then let's move on lah. 10k and lot size 0.5. Yeah, AI1. I open bigger lot. Yeah, this is a lot size gajah. It's basically scalp lah. It's big lot size, small pips. Right, so bye bye, good night. Take care. Pre-holiday aku tak nak main, betul. Right, yeah, good night bros. Take care and see you all tomorrow lah for the next live. And yeah, that's it from me. Wow, 9.3k likes for today. That's crazy, yeah. Who is the one that's